Hello students, now I am going to explain JEE Mains 2024 January questions from classification of elements and periodicity in properties. First question 2024-27 John shift 1, that is, from the given list the number of compounds with +4 oxidation state of sulfur is. So in SO3 oxidation number of sulfur is X. Sulfur is X plus oxygen -2. We have 3 oxygen atoms into 3 is equal to 0. Now X is equal to +6. Next H2SO3 oxidation number of sulfur. First take hydrogen oxidation number +1, 2 hydrogen into 2 plus sulfur is X plus oxygen -2 into 4. SO3 into 3, that is equal to 0. Here +2 plus X -2 into 3 -6 plus into -6 is equal to 0. X is equal to +6 -2 is equal to +4. Now oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO3 is +4. In SO3 +6. Like the same way, try to find out oxidation number of sulfur in the remaining. In SO2, in SOCl2 also +4, SbF4 +4, barium sulfate +6, H2S2O7 +6. So total number of compounds with +4 oxidation state: H2SO3, HOCl2, SbF4, total 3. Next question, given below are two statements. The electronegativity of group 14 elements from silicon to lead gradually decreases. Group 14 contains non-metallic, metallic as well as metallites. So now lead is similar to metal, so that's why electronegativity decreases. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. Why? Because group 14 elements contains non-metals, metals as well as metallites. Next, question number 3, 29th John shift 1. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason or. The first stagnation enthalpy decreases across the period. No, it increases across the period. The increasing nuclear charge outside the shielding across the period. So A is true, B, R is right. A and option first one, A and R true, but R is correct explanation of A. A is false but R is true. Given below are two statements. Question number 4, statement 1, fluorine has most negative electron gain enthalpy in its group. No. In 17th group, chlorine has more. Oxygen has least negative electron gain enthalpy in its group. No. The last one, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium has. So now statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Second one is correct. Anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to large size and high electronegativity. No, wrong. Small size and low electronegativity. Wrong. Small size and high electronegativity. Correct. Large size and low electronegativity. Wrong. Third one is correct. Small size and high electronegativity. Sixth question, 29th John Shift 2. The element having highest first ionization enthalpy. So carbon, silicon, nitrogen, aluminum. Nitrogen has highest ionization enthalpy due to off-field electronic configuration. Next, 7th question, 30th John shift 1. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion reason. There are considerable increase in covalent radius from nitrogen to phosphorus. However, from arsenic to bismuth only. Small increase in covalent radius is observed. Covalent and ionic radius is particular oxidation state increases down the group in the light above statement. So A also correct and B also correct. A and B, both A and A are true. R is the correct explanation of A and R true, but R is not correct explanation of A. IUPAC name of element unanium, then the element belongs to nth group of periodic table. The value of n is. So now unanium means atomic number 111. How to find? Take a noble gas element helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and another element OM. Now helium atomic number 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, 86, OSM 118. Now 118 is 18 group. Next 117, 116, 115, 114, 113, 112 and 111. So now 118 group, 17th, 11th group or 1B group. So that's why n is equal to 11. Statement. Question number 9. Given below are two statements. Along the period, chemical reactivity of elements gradually increases from group 1 to group 18. No, chemical reactivity first decreases, then increases. First decreases, then increases. Next, the nature of oxides formed by group 1 element is basic while that of 17 is acidic. That's correct. So statement 1 is wrong and 2 is correct. Statement 1 is false but 1 is true. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option 4th one is correct. Given below two statements. One is labeled as assertion and reason. H2 assertion H2T is more acidic than H2S. Correct. Bond dissociation enthalpy of H2T is lower than H2S. That's why it is more acidic in nature. So both A and true and R is the correct explanation of A. The correct sequence electron gain enthalpy of elements given below. So 17th group greater than 16th group. Out of 17, bromine is more than fluorine. Bromine is more than fluorine, then sulfur, least one is argon. So according to that, bromine means B is greater than fluorine, C, then D, then A. B, C, D, A. Here the not given, right? sorry, 17th is greater than 16th, then 18th. So now 17th down the group decreases, that's why fluorine is greater than bromine, then sulfur, then argon. According to that, C is greater than B, then D, then A. Second one is correct. Now 12th question. Consider the following elements A, B, C, D across the period and down the group. Which of the following is our true about A, B, C, D? Order of atomic radii. So down the group atomic radii increases, across the period decrease. According to that, C is greater than D, then B and then A and B. According to that, atomic radii A is correct. Next, order of metallic character. If atomic radii increases, metallic character also increases. That is also correct statement. B. Size of the elements. Atomic radius is directly proportional to size. So here they given different, that's why C is wrong. Order of ionic radii, it is also wrong. So only A and B are correct. In case of isoelectronic species, the size of fluorine, neon and Na plus is affected by principal quantum number, electron-electron interaction in the outer orbital, none of the factor because of the same size nuclear charge. So here, due to electron-electron interaction outer orbitals, the size varies. Negative is more than neutral, then positive. The lowest oxidation number of an atom in compound A2B is -2. The number of valence electrons in its valence shell is. See students, here A2B, so central atom B oxidation number -2. It means it contains 6 electrons. When it gains 2 electrons, then it will show -2. When it gains 2 electrons, then it contains 8 electrons in the valence shell. That's why number of valence electrons in central atom B is 6. Strongest reducing among the following. So nitrogen, phosphorus, strontium, bismuth. Down the group, reducing agent increases. That's why bismuth, BiH3 is the strongest reducing agent. Given below are two statements. Both metals and non-metals exist in P and D block elements. So that is wrong. No non-metal in D block element. Non-metals have higher ionization enthalpy and higher electronegativity than the metals. In the light of above elements, choose the most appropriate from the given below. So statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is correct, third one is correct statement. I hope you understood this video. If you understood, please like, subscribe and share with your